Provisioning tutorial. Step 1. Add and configure a CSV source system. In this step, we'll add a CSV source system based on the HR 500 dataset, and then configure its data model. Let's begin. To add the CSV source system, go to Systems, Overview. Click Add. Select CSV file for system type. Enter a system name. For this example, HR 500. Click Save. The new system is added to the Configured Systems pane. Click Configure. Select a drive, Share. In the Directories pane, navigate to the unzipped HR 500 folder. In the Files pane, select the checkbox for each data file to import. For this example, we'll select all 5 files in the HR 500 dataset. Click Save. Click Collect to perform an initial data collection from this system. Expand the system's table list and go to one of the tables to confirm that data has been collected. The next step is to assign primary keys to tables. Primary keys should be stable, non-mutable, uniquely identifying fields. Expand the system's table list and go to the Contracts table. Then go to the Columns tab. Select the Contract ID column as this table's key and display name. Click Save. Repeat this process for the other data tables in this system. Set the primary keys and display names as shown. Finally, collect the system's data again by going to the Overview and clicking Collect. Now, we need to establish relations between tables within this system, based on the primary keys we specified. Expand the system's table list and go to the Contracts table. Then go to the Relations tab. Click Determine Relations automatically to have NIM automatically find matching FKPK relations between this table and other tables in the same system. NIM automatically sets up the shown relations. Enable all the checkboxes in the NN Relations pane. Click Save. Repeat this process for the other data tables in this system. Collect this system's data once again by going to the Overview and clicking Collect. We now have the following keys and relations configured as shown. This concludes the provisioning tutorial step 1.